guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and on this episode we're gonna have spaghetti and meatballs. You can either have it for lunch or dinner, but I'm gonna show you a very easy, tasty, amazing meatballs and spaghetti you'll ever have. So if you've not subscribed, subscribe. Please share, like and comment so that I know how your experience was. I really normally appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much guys for the response you had for my Mokimo Wanjahe episode. I really loved it. So guys, continue sharing, liking. Yes guys, so let's get to it. So guys, for our ingredients, we need, of course, you need your spaghetti, and you have your minced beef, your breadcrumbs. You also need finely chopped parsley to dania apple, and then 1 egg. You can have some garlic cloves. We'll use 2. If you don't have garlic cloves, you can use garlic powder, salt, some of course oil, cooking oil, and then we'll need onions finely chopped, and then we'll have our crushed tomatoes. What you do with your tomatoes, you just boil them and then you just crush them, and then that's it. And then you have, of course, a bay leaf and some oregano to just spice it up. So guys, I don't know about you guys, but for me, pasta is equals to comfort. Actually, guys, carb is equals to life, and life is equals to comfort. So guys, if you want easy meals, don't say oh I can't do pasta. Try this spaghetti recipe and you'll enjoy. So first of all guys, we'll boil this in a large pot, and we'll put hot water, and we'll put a lot of salt on it. A secret to make your spaghetti not to be clogged together, so what you do is, in a large pot, cooking pot, use a lot of water and put some salt. Put some salt and let it boil. Once it boils, you put your spaghetti, and then we'll drain the water, and then we'll put cold water on top so that they stop cooking. So guys, as our spaghetti is cooking, we'll make our meatballs. So first of all, in a bowl, we'll combine our beef with our breadcrumbs. You can put as much as you want. Then we'll put our garlic. You can either put the garlic powder or you can do the garlic cloves, but for now I'll use the garlic powder. Yeah, and then we'll put our salt, a teaspoon of salt. And then we'll just mix until just combine, and then we'll make our balls. It's that easy guys to make your meatballs. Yeah, so we'll mix until they are just combined. You love this one guys, so yummy. guys, there's so many things I love about this recipe. It comes together so easily in less than 30 minutes, guys. You have your food ready, and it can be adjusted to a large number of people. It doesn't matter. So to season, we use some black pepper, or you can use the red pepper flakes. They also work. Mix. Oh, the smell, the aroma, amazing, guys. So it requires little effort, guys. You mix the meatballs, you just roll them into a bowl, place them on the cooking pot, and then that's it. Voila, in 5 minutes you just turn them and they're done. So to make your meatballs, guys, after you just combine, you just scoop like that, and then you just roll with your hand like this to make your meatballs. Like that. Just scoop a bit. I normally make like 16 meatballs, or depending on the number of people, but you can adjust. You can make big, small, it doesn't matter. So guys, whenever I have a busy day, I like to cook something that comes together as quickly as possible and with minimum work. And after I've been out all day, all I want is to eat just comfort food, guys. So home is where the cozy food is, guys. So don't shy away from making that meatball, guys. So yeah. So guys, once your meatballs are done, you finish doing them, what we'll do, in a large pot of a medium heat, we'll heat our oil, and then we'll add our meatballs and cook, and then we'll keep turning them occasionally until they're browned on all sides. That will be like 10 minutes, guys. So guys, in a large pot, put your 2 tablespoons of oil of a medium heat, make sure it's medium, and then we'll put our meatballs. We'll let it cook for like 10 minutes, or when you just know it's done, and then we'll just get it on, put on cold water to run through it. so that it doesn't continue overcooking. I like it when my spaghetti is just perfect. I told you guys, cozy comfort food is at your home. So guys, make that delicious food that people will love and enjoy. Then you pour just cold water on it so that it doesn't cloud. Guys, our spaghetti is done, as you can see. Of course, just get it to the cold water to prevent it from cooking, to continue cooking. So our meatballs, as you can see, so golden brown, they're so done. So what we'll do, we'll just make a sauce out of it. So we'll heat our pan, this one, our pan, and then we'll put our onion. I like putting onion and oil together to avoid splashing. So put your ginger too, your garlic. Sorry, put your garlic too. And let it cook for like 5 minutes until it's golden brown. Don't skip this process, guys. Make sure it's golden brown. So we will, after our onions are golden brown, as you can see, so golden brown. So what we'll do, we'll add in our crushed tomato. And then we will season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Guys, you can use cheese, but I normally opt out of using cheese. Yeah, but if you want, but I normally season season it on top, like put it on top, like sprinkle some cheese on top. So we will let this cook for 10 minutes. Yeah, point, you can add your bay leaf. You have some oregano. Also sprinkle some oregano. Yeah. Then you will let it cook for 10 minutes. So you lower the heat and you simmer. Add just some water for the paste, and then for 2 minutes to create this juicy, chunky sauce. You can see it. So yeah, you can season, guys, as I told you, with oregano, some bay leaves. It normally brings the sweetness. Makes it really sweet, guys. So this is done. So we'll serve our pasta with a healthy scoop of the meatballs and the sauce, and then we'll just top with maybe some cheese before serving. So some spaghetti, just put a bit once you want, then just mix with the sauce. Like that. Look at the meatballs, guys. So yummy. So sweet and yummy. Guys, look at this. You won't go back, guys. Once you taste this, you will love it. This, guys, is so yummy. So yummy. Look at this. So yummy. Oh, this is so delicious, guys. The best meatballs and spaghetti ever, guys. I love this. Super delicious. Super delicious. And the meatballs, look at this. Well done. So well done. So tasty, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. So, guys, please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe. Give me that like if you love my content. Comment so that I know how your experience was. Try my recipes, and I'll really appreciate it, guys. So I guess that's it from me and my bowl of spaghetti and meatballs. So, guys, bye.